Hello everyone, today's topic is data analytics with R training. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss about Data Analyst Master Capstone Training Roadmap. What is data analytics with R and its importance? Types of modules: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. What are the tools used in it? Job roles and responsibility, training program. Now we learn what data analytics with R and its importance is. Data analytics with R refers to the process of analyzing, visualizing, and interpreting data using the R programming language. R is an open-source statistical computing language widely used for data analysis, machine learning, and data visualization. It offers powerful tools and libraries such as ggplot2, dplyr, tidyr, caret, and Shiny, making it a preferred choice for data analysts and data scientists. Importance of data analytics with R. Powerful statistical analysis. R is designed for statistical computing, making it a robust tool for performing advanced statistical analysis and hypothesis testing. Rich data visualization capabilities. Libraries like ggplot2 and plotly enable users to create stunning and informative data visualizations, helping to communicate insights effectively. Data manipulation and cleaning. With packages like dplyr and tidyr, R allows easy data manipulation, transformation, and cleaning, ensuring high-quality data sets. Machine learning and predictive analytics. R provides machine learning packages such as caret and random forest, which help build predictive models and automate decision-making. Open source and community support. Being open source, R has a large global community that continuously contributes to its libraries, making it a dynamic and evolving tool. Integration with big data and cloud services. R can be integrated with big data tools like Hadoop and Spark, as well as cloud platforms like AWS and Google Cloud, making it scalable for large data sets. Widely used in multiple industries. Various industries, including healthcare, finance, e-commerce, and marketing, leverage R for customer insights, fraud detection, risk assessment, and trend forecasting. Let's learn about the different types of modules in data analytics. With R, data analytics is categorized into four main types: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. Each type serves a different purpose in analyzing and interpreting data using various technologies and tools. Descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics focuses on summarizing historical data to understand past trends and patterns. It helps businesses and organizations track key performance indicators, KPIs, and understand their operations. Technologies and tools used: R packages, dplyr, tidyr, ggplot2, readr, data, table. Other technologies: SQL for querying structured data, Excel for basic data summaries, Google Analytics for web traffic insights, Power BI and Tableau for dashboards and reports. Diagnostic analytics. Diagnostic analytics goes beyond descriptive analytics by identifying the causes behind certain patterns and trends. It involves data drilling, correlations, and anomaly detection to uncover relationships between variables. Technologies and tools used: R packages, core RR for correlation analysis, MAS for statistical modeling, LME4 for regression models. Other technologies: Python libraries, SQL for data queries and trend analysis, Power BI and Tableau for deeper data exploration, Google BigQuery for large-scale data analysis. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics uses statistical modeling, machine learning, and AI techniques to forecast future trends and behaviors. It is widely used in fraud detection, risk assessment, demand forecasting, and customer behavior prediction. Technologies and tools used: R packages, caret, random forest, decision trees, XGBoost, gradient boosting, forecast, time series forecasting. Other technologies: Python, scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch. Hadoop and Spark for big data analytics, AWS, Azure ML, and Google AI for cloud-based predictions. Now we will discuss about job roles and responsibilities for a data analyst with RA. Data analyst with R is responsible for collecting, analyzing, and interpreting large data sets to help organizations make data-driven decisions. Below are the key roles and responsibilities. Job roles. Data analyst works with structured and unstructured data, performs statistical analysis, and creates visual reports. Business intelligence analyst focuses on data-driven business insights, reporting, and performance tracking. Data scientist applies machine learning and predictive modeling to solve complex data problems. Financial analyst uses statistical models to analyze market trends, investment risks, and financial forecasts. Healthcare data analyst analyzes patient data, medical records, and healthcare trends for decision-making. Marketing analyst performs customer segmentation, trend analysis, and campaign performance evaluation. Key responsibilities: collect, clean, and pre-process data using R libraries like dplyr and tidyr. Conduct statistical analysis and hypothesis testing with mass and stats packages. Develop visualizations and dashboards using ggplot2, Shiny, and Plotly. Apply machine learning models using caret and random forest for predictive analytics. Collaborate with stakeholders to translate business problems into data-driven solutions. Optimize database queries using SQL for efficient data extraction. Work with big data technologies such as Hadoop and Spark for large-scale analytics. The last topic is training program. GoLogica offers a data analyst with R training program designed to help students and professionals develop essential data analytics skills using R programming. This training provides hands-on experience in working with data, enabling learners to apply statistical analysis, data visualization, and machine learning techniques to real-world business scenarios. By gaining practical expertise, participants can build a strong portfolio and enhance their career opportunities in data analytics. The course covers key concepts such as data collection, cleaning, exploratory data analysis, EDA, statistical modeling, machine learning, and data visualization. Learners will work on industry-based projects using R, SQL, Excel, and Tableau to analyze data sets and generate meaningful insights. The program also includes advanced topics such as predictive modeling using random forest, XGBoost, and regression analysis, along with interactive dashboard creation using ggplot2 and Shiny. GoLogica training is structured with expert-led live sessions, hands-on projects, and personalized mentorship, ensuring that participants gain both theoretical knowledge and practical experience. Learners will also develop the ability to present their findings effectively through reports and dashboards, an essential skill for data analysts in any industry. Upon successful completion of the training, participants will receive an industry-recognized certification, enhancing their resume and job prospects. This program is ideal for aspiring data analysts, business intelligence professionals, and those looking to transition into data analytics. With the GoLogica structured curriculum, participants can confidently pursue roles in finance, healthcare, marketing, and technology, making data-driven decisions and contributing to business success.